Okay, this is a little video on some explanation with week 3 assignments. Now, week 3, we're going to be getting into organic chemistry. Now, this is a little step up from where we were in basic chemistry. Remember that basic chemistry was a general review of chemistry to help us with biology. This is going to be, for most, a preview. Now, I want everybody to understand this is not the time to get overwhelmed and kind of freak out about this whole unit. I'm going to tell you right now that this is going to be new material to you, and some of you may struggle in the very beginning, but we're going to take our time to go through this and make it all make sense. The first thing that I want everybody to do is please use the link right here to log into Edpuzzle to access a video that previews an intro to basic organic chemistry. Please use the school Google user info to log in. Now, because this is a video, you might not be able to use this link. So what I'd like you to do is make sure you go to Edpuzzle by typing it in, or you can access it from the actual slides that I've posted as well. After you complete the Edpuzzle to the best of your ability, then we're going to click the link down at the bottom there with biomolecules. And the biomolecules are going to be about things like the functional groups that go along with the organic chemistry. So this is all basically organic chemistry. It's going to talk about hydrocarbons. It's going to talk about functional groups. And these terms are all going to be new to you, but that's okay because these videos are going to help you understand them a little better. So the link below contains one short video. While watching the video, I would like you to take notes in any method that you wish. All notes should be kept in your notebook. Please attempt to keep the notes short and to the point. Only write what is difficult to understand or information that you might forget. Do not write the things you know. Okay. Now, for number 3, we're going to answer the following questions in our notebook by either writing the question, then the answer, or restating the question in your answer. So, for example, define organic chemistry. You could write define organic chemistry and then write the answer to that. Or you could say organic chemistry is, and then write the answer. So you're either restating it or just writing the question. Now, once you get through all of these, it will make a lot more sense to you, I'm quite sure. And don't forget that next week we are going to move into this in a little more detail and have plenty of time for review. So please take your time with these. I'll run down through these for you. A, define organic chemistry. B, what are the major groups of organic compounds studied in biology? C, describe some of the shapes of carbon skeletons. D, define the following: structural isomers, geometric isomers, and enantiomers. E, why are enantiomers of biological interest? F, what is the significance of functional groups? And for each of the functional groups, complete the chart on the next slide. So if we look at the next slide, here is a chart. It says all the functional groups, and then it requires you to enter a formula for each one. And the formula is going to be a picture of the organic functional group. And then we're going to have an example of the molecules that you would find this functional group. So what kind of molecules are out there that have these functional groups inside of them? So go ahead and do your best with this, and we're going to talk about this in our live session, but we're also going to do more of this once we're back in school.